So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this popcorn stitch crochet pattern. Very easy and nice to make. It's fun to build every row, and it's easy, it's not difficult at all. Just follow the steps. Also look at the written pattern, which will be linked in the description box, and without further ado we'll get started. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and a 5.5 crochet hook, millimeter crochet hook. I will start with a slip knot and I will chain a random number. So depending on your project, you chain the required number. It doesn't need any number pattern, it's just any number. So the first row will be a normal single crochet only. So in the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make a single crochet and a single crochet in every stitch, in every chain, sorry. I'm gonna chain one and I'll turn. So now I will make the first popcorn stitch. So for that I will yarn over and I will make a double crochet. So one double crochet and I will add 4 more. So total 5 double crochet in the first stitch. So 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 and 5. Now I will leave this loop loose. I will come back to the first double crochet I did. So I will insert the hook on top of the first double crochet in the loop. I will take this loop and pull it through to close the popcorn stitch, and then I will make one single crochet in the next stitch like this. This is the first popcorn stitch. So here I'm at the end of my last 2 stitches and I will do 1 popcorn stitch and 1 single crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, insert in the first double crochet, pull through and single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn. This is how it looks so far. Okay, so this is the back side, so I'm gonna single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. So single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in every stitch. Okay, so this is done. Now on to the next row of popcorn stitch. We'll chain 1 again. So you have two choices. If you want your popcorn stitches to be on top of each other, so you do the same thing every time. You start with a popcorn stitch, single crochet, popcorn stitch, single crochet. For me, I like to have it in the middle of each popcorn so it looks prettier, like this one here. See, this one is like, they're not on top, they're in between each one in every row, if you see what I mean. So for that, what I'm gonna do, remember in the first row we started straight away with a popcorn stitch. This time we'll start with a single crochet and then a popcorn stitch in the next stitch. So 5 double crochet in the next stitch and join. Okay, tighten, single crochet in the next stitch. So you see how it looks. It's in between the previous popcorns. And I'll do the same throughout the row. You might end up at the end with 2 single crochet instead of 1, so that's totally fine. So 5 double crochet, this is how it looks so far. I'll finish and I'll show you the end of the row. So this is my last popcorn stitch in this row and I'll join, and like I said in the beginning, I'm left with 2 stitches over here and I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in each. So like I said, when you start with 1 single crochet, the puff stitch row, you end up with 2 single crochet at the end. And now we'll repeat the same, 1 single crochet in the next row, and we start with the popcorn stitch in the next row. Again, a reminder, we will alternate the popcorn stitch row, means 1 row will start straight with the popcorn and 1 row will start with a single crochet, just to get this pattern looking like this, not the popcorn on top of each other. I hope it's clear. Anyway, follow the written pattern which will be linked in the description box, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.